AI, machine learning, deep learning, Gen AI, LLMs, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the jargon. Let's break it down. As you can see in this Venn diagram, AI is the broadest concept. It refers to the development of systems that perceive the world around them, generate plans, and then make decisions to achieve their goals. Systems that perform tasks such as problem solving, decision making, language comprehension, and pattern recognition can all be considered forms of AI. So it's very broad. How to achieve AI? Over the years, computer scientists typically use two primary approaches: rule-based systems and machine learning. First, rule-based systems. A rule-based system uses a set of pre-written rules to solve problems and make decisions. They are often referred to as expert systems, as they operate based on a knowledge base crafted by human experts. These systems operate through numerous if-then statements, guiding the system's responses based on specific conditions. For instance, IBM Watson was initially designed to assist with medical diagnosis by using a combination of rule-based algorithms and statistical approaches to provide recommendations based on structured data. The second way to achieve AI is called machine learning, which is a subfield of AI. Instead of using explicit rules, machine learning enables computers to learn patterns and make decisions based on large datasets. Here are some popular machine learning algorithms, like regression, random forest, support vector machine or SVM, clustering, and so on. Deep learning is a specialized subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers, hence the term deep. Recall the image you saw in the first slide. That's a very simple artificial neural network. This approach enables the system to learn very complex patterns in massive datasets, and it is the core technology behind modern AI breakthroughs. Some popular deep learning algorithms are convolutional neural networks, or CNN, used for computer vision, recurrent neural networks, or RNN, used in natural language processing, and so on. Generative AI, or Gen AI, pushes deep learning further by using models capable of generating contents, whether that's text, images, videos, and audio. One example of Gen AI is large language models, or LLMs. They are specially designed to understand and generate human-like language. These models, like ChatGPT, are powered by deep neural networks trained on massive and diverse text data to predict and generate the next word in a sequence. We'll talk more later. Another popular Gen AI is the diffusion model, which is used to generate images and videos. So, from rule-based systems to machine learning to deep learning to Gen AI, AI is a broad and diverse field. In this workshop series, we'll focus on Gen AI and large language models to explore their impact on academia and education. But I just want to give you a full picture of AI to remind you that ChatGPT is not the entire AI, right? There are really a variety of AI technologies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps more students and researchers find this content. And if you want to keep learning about AI, ChatGPT, and how these tools can support your work, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video in this series. Thanks for watching.